Hi. So today in Arabic course, we'll study how to use the two words, the two pronouns that we use to demonstrate something, to show something, right? So those two words are, they are called demonstrative pronouns. And those two words are ذلك, 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 and tilka. Both mean the same. The meaning of both the words dhalika and tilka are the same, and both mean that, right? However, dhalika, the word dhalika is used for masculine nouns, and the word tilka is used for feminine nouns. That's the difference, right? So again, read this. These words are used to refer to things that are far away from the speaker, right? So we will use these words when something is far away from us to point to that thing. Okay, so let's start with the word zalika. Zalika is used for masculine nouns, right? So we will say zalika kitabun. In Arabic, a book is called kitabun or just kitab. Kitabun or just kitab. Kitab. Kitab means a book in Arabic, or you can say kitabun, right? So kitab or kitabun. So we will say zalika kitabun. Since book or kitab in Arabic is masculine, so we will use the word zalika. Zalika. Zalika kitabun. Similarly, we will use the word zalika masjidun. Masjid in Arabic is called a mosque. A mosque in Arabic is called masjid. Masjid. Masjid means mosque in Arabic. So we will say ذَلِكَ masjidun. ذَلِكَ masjidun. So masjidun or just masjid means mosque in Arabic. So since it is masculine, so we will use the word ذَلِكَ. Again, ذَلِكَ طالب. ذَلِكَ طالب. Talib in Arabic means a student. So when we say ذَلِكَ طالب or just talib, it means that is a student. And of course, it is masculine, meaning it is a boy. That is why we use ذَلِكَ. ذَلِكَ طالب means that is a student. So you see how all the nouns above are masculine. Kitabun meaning book, masjidun meaning mosque, talibun meaning a student. And for all these nouns, we use the word zalika since they are masculine. Moving on. Then for the female or the feminine nouns, we use the word tilka. Tilka. Tilka again means that, but we use this word for feminine nouns. For example, we will say tilka sayyara. Sayyaratun or just sayyara. Tilka sayyaratun or just sayyara. Now, in Arabic, sayyaratun or just sayyara means a car. Sayyaratun means a car. So when we say tilka sayyaratun, it means that is a car. Similarly, tilka madrasatun. Tilka madrasa or tilka madrasatun. In Arabic, a school is said, a school means madrasatun. Madrasatun means a school. In Arabic, to refer to a school, we say madrasa, madrasa, or similarly, madrasatun, the same thing, madrasa. Similarly, tilka talibatun, tilka talibatun, tilka talibatun. Again, talibatun means a student, but a girl student, a female student. So that is why we use the word tilka. So you can see for all these feminine nouns like sayyaratun, madrasatun, talibatun, we use the word tilka, right? Now, notice something. For female nouns, the noun always ends in tun. Tun. You can see for female nouns, feminine nouns, it always ends with the word tun. That is a key um, recognition of the female, of the feminine nouns in Arabic, that they end with the word tun, right? So that is it for today's video. So what we learned, that zalika and tilka both mean that. Zalika is used for masculine nouns, tilka is used for feminine nouns. Now here is a quick exercise for you guys. Do this